Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Honor Pad V9. So first what we want to do is go over to settings. Now go to Bluetooth and make sure that the Bluetooth first is disabled. Now we can enable it. Wait a couple of seconds. And now disable it back. Wait a couple of seconds. It may be 5 to 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we can click it and enable the Bluetooth. Now if you got a problem with it still, then you guys can try to unpair and repair the device in Bluetooth settings right here. So as you guys can see, I have the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro paired. Now here, let's click it, click Unpair, and now all we have to do is just connect to the same device. So put it in pairing mode and just connect it through Bluetooth. If that doesn't work, then restart your tablet and then the Bluetooth device. So hold the power button for the tablet. Do not mind the Gemini popping up on the screen. Now let's click restart, and I need to do that again. Let's go, let's do that again. Now let's click restart and touch to restart again. So now all we have to do is wait for the device to turn back on, so I'll see you guys then. So now after restarting our device, what we can do is go to settings and update our software to fix any connectivity bugs that might be on your device. So scroll down, now go to system and updates, it's almost at the bottom, and click on software update. Here, let me quickly connect to the network. Now it will check automatically for the update. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the Magic OS, and I recommend you guys to do the same because it's very important to update your software to not miss any updates and basically fix any glitches that might be in the older versions. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.